Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your Facebook page link. It's pretty simple, but first you need to go inside your Facebook page account. So let me show you how you guys can do that. And hit the subscribe to our channel one step. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on menu at the bottom right corner. Once you click on menu, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here where it says pages, click on pages. Inside pages, all of the pages which you own is going to be shown. So from all this page, I want to share my food restaurant page link. So I will click on food restaurant, but you have to choose which page link you want to share. And click on where it says switch at the bottom. Once you click on switch, it's going to switch you into your Facebook page account. Again, you want to click on menu at the bottom right corner, and it's going to bring you to your Facebook page menu. Over here at the top, it says food restaurant. That's my Facebook page name, so I will click on it. You have to click on your Facebook page name. Once you're in this page, at the top right, you can see the three dot. You want to click on it, and it's going to bring you inside page setting. Once you're inside page setting, at the bottom, you can see this option called copy link. Click on copy link. Click on OK, and you just have copied your Facebook page link. Now you can share it to anybody, and you can just paste this link anywhere you want. It's going to bring you to your Facebook page. That's how you guys can share Facebook page link. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.